Every journey forward begins with the question, what future do we choose to build, and who do we build it with? For over 50 years, and still today, UNDP stands with Serbia. Guided by Serbia's own development vision, we bring global expertise to local action. We help the country advance national reforms and strengthen its capacity to respond to major challenges, building strength and resilience. Together, we empower people, especially youth, women, and vulnerable groups, to shape their own future. We strengthen institutions so they can serve citizens with greater transparency, efficiency, and trust. And we support investments in sustainable infrastructure facilities that are energy efficient, climate resilient, and inclusive by design. In recent years, we have placed our focus on digital and green transitions as key drivers of development. Serbia was among the first to recognize digital transformation as a driver of progress. But what does digital progress look like in daily life? From secure e-government services to the region's largest data center, Serbia has built a digital ecosystem that empowers all citizens to access services and information. With UNDP's support, public institutions started to open their data, enabling the creation of new solutions that make life better. To strengthen decision-making and resilience, we developed digital tools that help Serbia prepare for and respond to challenges. To harness the potential of AI and emerging technologies, UNDP supports national AI policies, pilot projects, and new institutions for biotechnology and digital innovation. Today, technology does more than modernize systems. It empowers people. It strengthens the economy. It helps protect nature. And the green transition is more than cleaner air and protected nature. It drives investment, creates new jobs, and builds a more competitive economy. We support the shift to renewable energy through solar, geothermal, and biomethane. At the same time, we help advance the economy while preserving the environment. We do this by promoting a circular economy that reduces waste, reuses resources, and rethinks how value is created. In addition to supporting Serbia's first sovereign green bond, UNDP mobilized funding for green initiatives and identified sectors with the most profitable opportunities for sustainable investments. So, what kind of future are we shaping together? One where institutions are inclusive and effective, the economy is knowledge-driven, and society is resilient, putting people at the center, protecting nature, transforming tomorrow. Join us.